Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you may be coming across this video. This is Michael McDuffie with Mailbox Moneymakers Team 2.0. Just wanted to come quickly and show you how I do grind for my team, how I do help build my team. Before I get started with this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I make a video, because I will be making more video. So let's get into it. If you've been following me, you know that for this month I have been doing what I call a 30-30 challenge, that I'm mailing 30 postcards for 30 days for my team members. Each day I'm choosing a different team member to mail for them. Cash Building System Unlimited team member, and also Armchair income team member. And so I'm mailing for different team members. And I finally got my 300 postcard stamps in the mail. As you can see, I have my 300 postcard stamps in the mail. So 10 members will be getting a postcard mailed out from me. 300 postcard stamp, 30 postcards for 10 members. That's 300. So just showing you quickly that I do help my team, help people get started. I help them build their business. I don't build it for them. Now you have to be consistent. Just can't rely upon me because 30 postcards is just a gesture that I'm doing. But I have many team members that know that they must mail consistently, no matter how many no matter how many videos you see I make, no matter how much I post on Facebook or anywhere else. It always come back down to you must mail if you're going to be successful in direct mail. And so this is just a quick video showing you some of the things that I do for my team members. As you see them, that I'm mailing for my team members, and also in my new program that I have added, the birthday bank. As you see, you get a quick start guide, and as you see there, when you join me, you get 60 premium leads. When you join at the $100 level, you will get 60 premium leads. It's opportunity to have 3 levels: 20, 50, 100, and going to add the 300. And so when you join me at this now at the $100 level, you will get 60 premium leads. When you join me at the $50 level, you will get 40 premium leads. And when you join me at the $20 level, you will get 30. So everybody will receive something, and that's one thing I believe in, giving you something to get you started out the gate. Okay, and if you've been following me here, you know this is my manual of the different tips, resources, different things that I have tried that work for me, different tips that I give to help you be successful. Mostly when you join Armchair Income or Cash Building System or Mailbox Benjamin, one of my other programs, one of my other direct mail programs, you will get this marketing manual. When you join the birthday bank, it have its own marketing guide, but I had added some of my tips and strategy also inside of there because you can. Okay, and so this is just showing you that here is the leads I have. As I said, that when people get started, they will receive leads from me. You know, even when they get started here, they were not only am I just doing this as a special for this month only, that I'm mailing for different team members 30 postcards and 30 for 30 days. But when anyone joined me in this opportunity, that you will get my manual, and you will get free postcards and free leads, and at certain level, I will mail for you. That's right. I will do the mailing for you, not no certain promotion. That's just how I grind. I believe that the more you help people get what you want, the more you help people get what they want, the more you get what you want. And I am willing to help those that are willing to help yourself. As I say many times, I'm not going to drag anybody. I'm not going to pull anybody, and I'm not going to make anybody build their business or build it for them. But I am here to assist those that have a desire to do something for themselves. So this is just a quick video showing you some of the things that I do when you come a part of my team. As I say, I have a team chat room, a training chat room, and I have a weekly Zoom training. So you don't just join an opportunity, you join a team builder, someone that is committed to building a team. And the only way I can build a successful team is to make sure or do what I can that that team member or team members make money too. So just a quick video showing what I do. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I make a video, because I will be making more video. And y'all have a blessed day.